good, good, good. Jesus.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl, Talia. No. Back again with another vlog. Today is, let me see, Friday, May 3rd. Today is the day of the darty. We finna be outside lit. Y'all, I already started doing my makeup. Let me give y'all the eyebrows. Mom in the back. Let me give y'all the eyebrows. Cause they're giving, period. And I'm not putting no makeup on today either. We doing minimum. Literally, I just did the brows. That's it. I'm about to do, oh well, I did the contour, so that's already going right now. And that's minimum too, because it usually be a little bit more harsh than this, but that's to the minimum too. And then I was gonna do like blush. I'm probably not gonna do lashes just because I'm a crier. Like, I be crying. But I mean, even if I do cry though, y'all, I don't got no makeup on the bottom half of my face. I feel like I might be alright. Y'all, look at my nails. So cute and natural looking. But anyways, let me get back to getting ready. I gotta be at Mo house at like 3:30. So literally in an hour. Which I should be leaving like right now. You're right, Mom. But your girl is still getting ready. At least I know already what I'm gonna wear. And I already got a bag packed with other outfits if I don't want to wear what I have. And that's the longest part of my get readies. Be the eyebrows or the outfit. So yeah. We getting there, you know. That's that. Trying to think what else I got to tell y'all. Not really much. Ain't shit going on. I'm gonna go ahead and do this little mascara. Okay, I'm gonna get back to y'all because I ain't even gonna do too much. Y'all ain't about to watch me get ready. I'm gonna see y'all when I am ready. What's good, vlog? Your girl is about to walk out the house. I'm trying to get all my stuff together. My ass, of course, got this big duffel bag. But that was only because I got other outfits in here from Mo. So, yeah. I'm about to put this bag in the car. It's a beautiful day. Period. You want your grandson? Where is he? In the room. I don't know where he's at. He went and ran straight to Nanny room.
Anything to be able to under my bed.
Come eat. Come here, Blue. Y'all look at his little head over there. Uh-oh. I'm weak.
In different area codes. You know what's up. Everywhere I call in, they drop the low. Drop that fucking location. Cause I got hoes.
What's good, vlog? Your girl just arrived. Period. Y'all look. Look at this one.
Can't get you out of my mind, boy, you're out of my life. I can't believe that you're
Yo, hold on, let me go get my stuff out of the car.
If you can hear me, baby.
Oh my god.
Period, you look real fine.
I do, this is cute.
Real sexy.
I was gonna take this off.
The Yeti.
Ah! You see him?
Put them away. Now let me see.
Now let me see.
What you need me to bring? You need help with anything?
Yes, please hold that.
Y'all see me looking scraggly, but it's okay. I'm gonna be a bad bitch tomorrow.
5 seconds. Give me 5 seconds. In the next clip.
The next clip, I'm gonna be a baby.
Period.
This fine as fuck.
The blanket got me.
Yes, baby.
Very comfy.
Very. That's my lap blanket, okay?
Y'all, we are in Kroger spot. We about to eat real good. Period. I ordered chicken wings, mac and cheese, and cabbage, and Mo ordered
It's basically like, you know how you got smothered pork chops, but it's chicken instead with mac and cheese and yams and a piece of cornbread, y'all, and a lemon drop.
Period. Oh yeah, in our drinks. I got a tropical storm.
I'm excited.
I'm excited. I'm excited right now. Like really ready to eat. Like yeah. Y'all broke my nail. Look. Oh, there you go. Yes, broke my nail. It's okay though. I got some more in my purse in the car.
Said I got some more.
I brought the whole pack just in case. Oh yeah, and we didn't even go to the Darty. We had gotten ready at like 6:30.
Yeah, it was late because I had to work and then I didn't end up getting off till late and then she had hit traffic, so we didn't get to each other until almost 5 o'clock. You know, I had to get ready. I'm just a girl.
Yeah, just a girl. But I mean, at the end of the day, we still made way, and here we are about to get drunk in this restaurant with no fuck. Don't care. Yeah.
Yes, period.
Y'all, this is the drink. This is the tropical storm. Mo got explain your drink.
It's a lemon drop with tequila substituted. Don Juan.
Period.
Don Julio.
This at the bottom, y'all, I'm excited about. It's blue raspberry syrup. Let's get into it. Y'all about to watch me try it.
That bitch strong.
This is so good.
That is so strong.
This is so
I only need one. Only need one. Honey. Let me help you out.
okay. No, I'm about to crash.
I am. I'm about to. Wow. Do you smell it? Like, I wish y'all could smell it through the camera. Like,
No bullshit. Hold on.
oh.
I'm reaching for a fork. Wait a minute.
I'm about to say, it is only a fork, too.
Alright, y'all. We just walked out of the restaurant. Facts. And we're going down the road. Ooh, it was warm right there. Now it's cold as fuck. But walking down the road. About to get in the car. That food was 10 out of 10.
Definitely gotta be a newer year.
And
My mom.
what was your food? 10 out of 10?
Definitely the fuck was. You see, we got the Don. Bitch, she ordered. Tell them what they did. Tell them what they
Yes.
did.
Okay, so I ordered another shot and it was just Ciroc. I mean, Patron.
Right.
Boom. So she ordered another whole drink and her whole
Tequila
drink was
with Don.
tequila and Don. So then when they made the actual drink or whatever, and then I canceled my drink, they had then.
No, she had put your shot.
Are we in the wrong car?
It's right here.
Oh, bitch, I was opening their door.
She thought the shot was for my drink.
Yes.
She put your shot in my drink.
Both of them, y'all.
Boy, I'm gonna toe up.
Yeah, she had two fucking drinks. Y'all, me and Mo drunk as a bitch in the house.
Yeah, hold on.
Period. Yeah. Huh? Bow. Y'all don't play with it. What? Nobody. I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. We like 5 shots into this bottle, 4 shots. I don't even know how much is to the bottle. But when we get finished with the bottle, I'm gonna see y'all. My sorrow, wake up the next day and my color with you living. These hoes are the same. To break my heart, hold up, I'm a drunk of my sorrow.
Just mad as fuck, I know.
These hoes are the same.
I like this song. I feel like the tongue playing.
Nah. Y'all, I'm drunk.
Say y'all, I'm drunk.
What's good, y'all? I'm back. It is... Damn, I don't know right here. It is 2:43 in the motherfucking morning. Your girl just got home maybe like 25 minutes ago. I just got out the shower. Y'all, look, it's me and Blue. Look at Blue. Y'all, my baby getting big. Literally. You getting big? I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. God damn it. This might actually be continued. I'm not sure. But if it is, or if it isn't, until next time. What's good, y'all?
Just you two. Man, what's good, y'all?
Me and Mo back in it again. You feel me?
Off that Don Julio,
At the motherfucking Julio. Oh nah, cuz we about to be we about to be turned, y'all. It's Cinco de Mayo. You feel me?
Me llamo Fernanda. Today, putas.
Oh my god, the arms did it.
That's because the shirt is festive.
The arms did it.
It's like the emoji. It's festive. You know how she got the... Kenzie, tell her.
Yeah.
Tell her it's festive because look, when I do like this, ain't it like the emoji for Cinco de Mayo?
We are
Gotta hit her
outside.
up. You see what I'm saying?
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get back to you when we...
Oh, yeah, we about to go.
Cool. Here, y'all. We about to go outside.
We already outside.
Yeah, I'm about to say, we already here, but like, we just gotta pay for our shit.
Just
Hold
get
on.
the city. Over
Look
there.
at me.
Over there. Get it in the back. Wow.
Bow. Y'all, me and Mo had a time. We had a time, y'all. Like, I didn't even bring the camera in, but oh, they go to like, I didn't even bring the camera in, but all I know is I had a time. I was dancing.
Look at my hair. Just the gel don't do nothing for me no more. That's how you know I had a time.
Yo, I did my little edge in the
me
front.
a
Probably
time.
not even laid no
I
more.
gotta get my...
Hell no.
Oh, Lord.
It's crinkly, wrinkly, dinkly. Yeah. Alright, vlog. The girl is about to go down the road. I am drunk. Very much. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the house. Good morning, y'all. It's your girl, Talia. No, man. Blue, you wanna say good morning? You wanna say good morning? Me and my child, okay? Y'all, I'm so weak. Look at him. Blue. Hi. But, y'all, this morning, your girl is going to brunch. Well, lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it. Because I don't exactly know what time I'm going to be done getting ready or whatever. And really, I'm the one who set this whole dinner thing up, whatever, brunch, whatever. Y'all, I'm tired. Don't mad at me. But I'm the one who really, like, initiated this whole idea just because I just wanted to have a day where I go out to eat again and get cute. So, right now I'm picking up my outfit. I'm thinking like something real slight. I will wear sandals. My toes not done, so I don't know. But it ain't nothing to slap some paint on. I'm thinking about it, y'all. What, Blue? But I'm gonna see y'all later on when I'm done getting ready. I'm about to do my face right now. I'm about to put this outfit on. My hair's already done. I did it on Friday. Today is... Oh, well, I did my hair actually Saturday. Today is... fuck. I did today. I did my hair. Fuck. I did my hair on Friday. Today is Saturday. Okay? So, I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done getting ready.
Hey, a wise man told me nothing. He say no shit, they get still.
Y'all, I'm here with Ari. Period. Y'all know.
I look.
Every time we get together, y'all motherfucking know.
We look so cute, y'all.
No, for real.
What are you kissing your teeth for?
I do. Oh, I don't think he's saying that. Hold on.
He said earlier. He said I don't want to go with y'all. Y'all look too good. So I can't compete.
Well, damn.
Try to do that.
He said what?
So he's not a hater back there. He's not a hater.
Not all the time.
Love that. Love that.
Alright.
We don't like haters.
I'm helping your ass out.
Alright, we're gonna call it in.
That's a vlogging camera?
Pull up and wait. Yeah.
Smoking shit while we're
Real?
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now. I'm recording. What you gotta say?
Yo, what's up, vlog?
Excuse the face on my face. That's what I gotta say. I got a face on my face. We're not gonna talk about it. We're just gonna name her.
I'm gonna see y'all when we get to America's Best Wings. What's good, y'all? Outfit change. Okay. Y'all see your girl. Makeup still look, yeah. Outfit. I got on this shirt. Y'all seen it before in the last vlog, I'm pretty sure. And I put on leather pants with it. And then I got on my boots. Like, the sun is out, it's hot, but I just know it's gonna be cold later on, so I had changed into this outfit because I'm like, I'll be damned if I'm cold, you know? Ah! And then here she goes. Get a little ready, okay? Say hi to the vlog. And hey. Did the piercing, y'all, period. Don't mind a little blood now. Y'all, that piercing is so cute. Like, I want that. That's really cute. Oh, and that's a new tag. What did I say, love? Oh, yeah, that's really cute.
Yeah, say paint upside down.
Bow. Look at these niggas. Yo. Tell them a video. Hey, Shay, girl in the cut. Oh, weak.
Everybody wearing black.
Who?
Everybody got on black.
It's a good day for it. Shit, it ain't hot. Y'all see us getting the business, okay? Oh. That was 2 gulps. Ew.
You taking another shot?
Yeah.
I'm not taking
Y'all.
another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna take another one. Y'all, look at these niggas. Oh, we just a bitch. Look at them in the back.
They can't even see them.
No, for real. Why is y'all so far? Like, they whack ass motherfuckers. Hey, listen, real 4K. We in the cut.
That nigga been saying he ain't want that many niggas.
Oh, God.
Wait, we gonna try to make it work.
Bro, not heard of. I arrived. Hello, y'all. Hello. Y'all are so pretty. Okay. Period. Jazzy girl. My girl. Hello. Period. Y'all, we got in the cut. Okay, yeah. Okay, come on, say something. What's good, vlog? It's your girl. I'm behind the scenes, goddammit. Y'all know. This is where you come to get behind the scenes of every video. Literally, right now, I'm sitting here, way in the back. Yeah.
The motherfucking, let me see the motherfucking city center in this bitch. Fuck that, I'll put it in a motherfucker. I'll be looking okay. She thinking she fucking with me.
Is this bitch okay? Hey, yo. Now that just caught me off guard. That's my son.
I'm not going no more. After Quay, I'm not going.
I'm trying to get it under control. Under control. You DJ. You DJ. Hey, yo.
Delete it. Come on. Alright, stand up. I'm ready to go though. Alright, so the winner of the twerk
Is y'all people
white shirt. No, it's cool.
Toe up. From the floor up.
I think you should give 50-50.
Y'all want to split it 50-50?
50-50, alright.
Wait, come on, mama. Heavy over here. The rail trying to break it.
Oh, you talking about them across the street?
They trying to break it. Alright, come on. What? Out there. No, it's gonna be too hot.
Y'all, look at them.
Come on, bro. Scoot your big ass on. I ain't that big.
Bro, no, it's all of them trying to fit in the back. Bro, we can shit. Y'all, why some white boy just shot his motherfucking gun in his own car? Y'all, look at this mess.
Hey, y'all,
like, what is
on? Hey, she about to be.
I'm weak as a bitch. Alright, listen. Listen here, everybody listen, motherfucker. In here. We're there. That shit ain't gonna work.
Where? Alright, so
Feel like it, bro. Beam don't work, bro.
What y'all doing?
Color that bitch, bro. That bitch was just on. Easy about just.
What y'all doing?
Thinking shit. Cool, and bro.
Not just cool.
Nah, they feeling
Hey, yo.
you want that?
Yes.
Oh, she's smoking blacks on video.
Nah, my YouTube, I'm real with them. They already know my journey.
Don't say YouTube. This is just a memory you keep.
No, my YouTube.
Don't say don't post this though.
You don't want this in the vlog? That's crazy. Like, this is definitely going in the vlog.
You got guns in your video? He wild.
Now that you're the one with the Glock in your hand.
But it's your channel. You gonna get deleted? It's your channel.
I'm so weak. I can edit you the fuck out.
Yeah, blur me.
How about that? Nah, but y'all, we chilling. We stay here at Belle Island.
Oh my God.
What you want me to say? You don't know what you're talking about.
Park Street. You park crooked.
Oh, yeah, you did, but it's okay.
I parked cricket.
Yeah, it's just, but you fucked
A
up,
lot
so
of
it's
cricket.
okay.
A lot of
two
cricket.
lanes.
2 lanes.
Yeah, you got hella space.
I don't give a fuck. That's so they can pull out. What? I was making sure they can get out.
Niggas is outside.
Who is that?
Motorcycle.
Oh shit, the whole gang. I'm about to say the whole gang here.
That nigga almost shot himself though.
I'm about to get out of the car. I'm about to say let me on the back of y'all shit.
I bet you won't. Bet you won't.
Can I get on?
Yeah, they can't hear you.
Can I get the bike on?
What? In the video.
Somebody.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't know how to work this camera.
They don't hear me at all sitting on the motherfucking bikes. Oh, yeah. I try to get on the bike. These bitches. The only thing I've been on the back of is a fucking moped. Let me tell y'all about it. I was having the time of my life.
Who got a black big?
Anybody
You can have my black bitch.
Who got a black big?
Me.
That's my lighter. That's my shit right there.
That black one? That black one? Where that black one at?
Let me see that jump.
Hey vlog, this is me personally here, you feel me? I'm tuning in, your girl is late.
What you doing?
And I ain't doing that, but sitting in the car, you feel me? Smoking, watching the stars. There ain't no fucking stars in the sky. But in the sky, we sitting in big baby blue. Big baby blue. Don't play with her.
My lighter.
Okay. Oh, what the fuck? sorry, y'all.
Don't believe that, babe. We're going so far in the morning. Got you yawning, yeah. I know you need me.
No, what the fuck wrong with them? Damn, I can't call him.
Friends in the back, friends in the back. Down. Where'd she go? I ain't gonna lie. It is bright as fuck.
She fucked up. Yo, YouTube, what's up, man? You know what the fucking on. She love checking in, no cap. Make sure y'all fuck with me, no cap. Woman and bitch with Talia Monet, man.
Hello.
Oh, shit, my phone on.
I gotta get this on record too. Bitches trying to say who it ain't enough for y'all bitches. Hoes off on the got me looking at them sideways. It'll never be the same motherfucker all day, man. Either way, these niggas still going to the bank. Bitch, I'm up now, give a fuck. But you look me in my eyes, can't name a bitch better.
Hopping out the range.
What the why keep you better? Hold on. Nah, boy, not never.
That pussy nigga.
Write a letter.
Ryan so bad as bitch. Nah, bitch, I ain't friend.
What? This pussy that good, I swear. And he still cares. Who
Hey,
plays?
chat.
Shay got me
Chat,
weak
tell
with
her
you.
to play a song that I know.
Still back here, then.
Bro, god damn.
Still
You good, twin? Should I keep the beard, y'all, or not, bro?
You should.
I'm trying to, like, really, like, grow it out. Like,
You
really,
should.
like.
It's
Hey,
gonna
man,
get
tell
grown.
boy, keep that bitch, man. No cap. Y'all see a real ass
It's
nigga
gonna
in the
get
fucking
grown. It's
building.
gonna be
No
cute.
She love tiny bitch, no fucking
Oh,
cap.
This is like. You fucked up. How many shots you had?
I don't know.
Hey, I want to twerk real quick.
Real shit.
And you gotta record me.
I got you. Nah, let me get it. Go ahead. I got it right. Go up here. You're right. Bow. Down.
I'm gonna call like, damn. You fucked me up. I was killing that shit, y'all.
Go ahead.
She ooh juice, she was peachy just like food. She said that shit was fruit. I said that shit was pussy loose. Knock the wall down, all I do hit that whole like wait.
And this shit country down. Bend over, come ride me like your rover.
So Yin Yang, what are you gonna do 2 years after Whistle
I'm
While
still
You
recording.
Right on time, oh man, look at shorty, she making that thing jiggle. He with the wiggle, anybody down for my nerve around middle.
Hey yo. Zooming on in. Let me take a seat. Alright. What's good, y'all? I thought I just needed to go ahead and sit down and do this outro because your girl was a little too turned. Like, y'all, I was too lit with my friends. No cap. Literally. I started with the, what did I first have a shot of? Luna. Then I went to the Don. Then I went to the Patron. I didn't have none of that damn Ciroc. I'm glad I ain't had none of that Ciroc. And then, what did I have after that? No, I think that's it. Just Don, Luna, and fucking Patron. Yeah, I'm toe up. Especially because, like, I went into that video shoot off ready to drink. Cause I was like, I'm about to turn myself up, you feel me? Get a little lit before this video even starts. And I wasn't originally gonna be in the video. I literally wasn't even gonna be there. Because I had planned to do something else. But the whole time my plans literally revolved right around where the video shoot was. So my friends had called me literally at a perfect timing, and I was right around the corner. literally right around the corner. So I pull up, and I told Ty I didn't want to be in the video. I was just gonna chill, but I got in it. You feel me? Your girl hopped in the video. Had great energy as always. You feel me? Y'all make sure y'all be on the lookout for that video on She Loves Tab channel. I'll be featured in it. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog off right here because your girl ain't got shit else to do. I'm about to go to bed. You feel me? Literally about to go to bed. Take my makeup off. About to hit these sheets. If y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. What's good, vlog? Good morning. It's your girl, Talia Monet. It's Mother's Day! Y'all, see, first of all, let me give y'all a little outfit tour real quick. Damn, y'all, my room is just dirty as fuck. It's okay. Okay. So, wig by Talia. Wig by Talia, real cute. Outfit by her mom, okay, real cute. Shoes by Reebok, okay, period. This is a cute outfit though. 2 pieces giving, y'all. I'm definitely gonna take this from her.
She always steal my stuff. Can't have nothing.
Can't have shit. But today, me and her are going out to eat, so I'm about to start my process and getting ready. Y'all know how that goes, and I'ma just see y'all when we both ready. Shit, and we in the car and we out. Right, Mom?
Right.
She's excited. Y'all, she just came in my room blasting Big Sexy Love, bounce that ass, touch them toes. Like, I was so weak. Not Little Miss Sexy walking down the street. Like, that had me so weak. Not her lit, like, because I'm going to put the clip in the vlog. Y'all going to see it. Bow, bow, bow. Not acting up. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Hey. Got her. I'll see y'all later.
Straight, cute, bam, flexing, extensive. Girl, no man in attitude. Fuck about it too, a little travel. Don't live it right, ain't over in a boo. Vintage, put it on the books. I ain't trying to be with cool.
Period, y'all. We just got to taste the crab. You ready, Mom?
Yes, a new restaurant. We ain't never tried this one before.
Period.
And we about to try it.
None. Y'all look at her. I'm ready for this food. Yo, everything in me tells you not to kill this flower.
Don't do it. Not be it.
Y'all, I wanted to kill that fly so bad. I know it's gonna come back while I'm trying to eat. Ain't nobody trying to play with no flies today. Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. You feel me? All the mothers. I'm even a mother. I'm even a mother. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Y'all, I'm see her trying to take her picture. Can't take the damn picture. How was your dinner?
It was 6 hours.
Like she drunk, y'all. It's away. Body is tea.
Shit, he saved my ass last night, though. I ain't had to smoke none of my weed. I smoked all his shit. 4 blunts.
I know it was both. Both on the hard step back and put both hands down like 6:30.
Right here. Y'all, this shit cool as fuck. Like, we literally went up some stairs and shit. I ain't never went this way, no cap. But this is just a trail. Y'all, we didn't get that far. And we realized, well, I realized we ain't walking towards no water. You mad at me, Bob? Oh, this is... Oh, I do know where I'm going. Y'all, this is the little space I was talking about. It's like a fucking, I don't know, that's cute. Very creative. Y'all, look at her. Okay, body. Yeah. Not yeah. Okay, little steps. Okay. Like, this is some cool ass shit. Wait. Oh, you are going the right way. Yeah, I'm over here confused. Like, I'm really not knowing. All I know is we're in the woods. They can be like, oh, they didn't get very far. No facts. Why'd you say that? Because, you know, everything we say, it just happens. That shit just happens. Oh, we gotta go this way for some light. Okay, y'all, hold on. I'm about to take our pictures. Record it. My phone is in my pants. Y'all, everything. Recording. Trying to do the same face I'm making. Not be serious while we're recording. While we're trying to take her pictures. Like, I can't help it. It's like I gotta smile. Like, but we're in this cute little area, y'all. So cute. Keep recording. This is only go for 10 minutes. If that was y'all, we had a very productive day, okay? We just came back from our walk or whatever. Okay, bike gang.
Family day. Whole family.
Damn, where? Yes, I'm saying the whole family. God damn. Both ways, though. That's what killed me. Like, alright. But I didn't even take my camera on the walk. I did record some clips on my phone. I'm gonna insert them, y'all know. Walkie walk. Alright, y'all. I'm going on our walk. Hold on. Let me get this vape out my hand. I see it. It's like that outside. For real. Damn, this bitch. I don't like this one. Yeah, no, fuck this one. This one's kind of crazy. And we about to roll up and then go home. So I'm gonna just see y'all when we get back to the house. Say peace, Mom.
Peace.
Good, Jesus.